Hi guys, my name is Stephanie Odell, and this is a little bit about me. I'm 21 years old. I currently have two jobs, both are waitressing jobs, and I'm a full-time student at Stockton. I'm currently in my clinical practice 2 semester in the undergraduate education program. I'm pursuing elementary education degree, and I'm a huge Eagles fan. Teaching experience. I'm a certified substitute teacher, and I did my first semester of observations in Pleasantville Elementary School, and I loved it. I'm currently placed in Port Republic for my clinical practice 2 semester, and I plan to stay there for final clinicals. I'm in a 3rd grade math class. I'm currently looking to get my special education certification and go on to teach in an urban setting. Some fun facts about me. I have 2 different colored eyes, as you can see in the picture in the Eagles hat. Not really a fun fact, but I'm obsessed with my dog because she's the cutest. I love CrossFit and powerlifting. I did powerlifting in high school competitively. And I met Carrie Underwood over the summer, and I'm still not over it because she's my favorite person ever. And that's it.